Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aishwarya Laha and you're watching Tech Solutions. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about some important tips that will increase the maximum chance of your video ranking well and being watched. There are 6 important tips to remember before uploading a video on YouTube. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. While uploading a video on YouTube, the first and the main thing which we have to do is to write a video title. So the choice of a title will make a big difference in how the video performs. The title of your video should be clear and descriptive. Try a title that is catchy or poses the questions to draw in your audience. Make sure you use keywords that are relevant to the topic. By writing a great title, you will ensure that your video is found by the right people. It is also important to keep the title concise so that the full title can be seen in the search result listing. Make sure you accurately describe what your video is about. It is very important to write a compelling and detailed descriptions for your video. Use long tail keywords. It will help your viewers find your video much easier. YouTube automatically generates 3 thumbnails, but nobody likes seeing that blurry thumbnails. To make your video stand out, work on your thumbnail. Create your own custom thumbnail by using bright colors, larger fonts, or upload a high quality pictures to make it look appealing. If your thumbnail image will be attractive, then your viewers really want to click on your video. Tagging your video is very important. It helps your viewers find your video. By using right keywords, it will ensure that you are ranked higher in the search results on YouTube. A keyword that is right for your tag could be one that is used in your brand name, a keyword from your descriptions, or a keyword that matches the title of your video. Use between 3 to 7 relevant tags. What are interactive cards? Interactive cards are a pre-formatted notifications that can be placed at any point throughout the video. Once they are set up, a small rectangular box or a teaser will appear in the top right corner of your video when viewed on YouTube. So here you can insert an iCard that links directly to your website, to a product, to a fundraising site, another one of your video or playlist. If viewers tap or click on it, the cards associated with the video will appear along the right side of your video or below the player on mobile in portrait mode. You can also use cards in your older videos to highlight your most recent uploads. So the cards are a great way to get potential viewers to engage with your site. You can add up to 5 cards to a video. Last but not the least, create a compelling end screen. End screen comes at the very end during the last 20 seconds of your video on YouTube. It directs the viewers to take the next action. It can be customized to encourage the viewers to subscribe to your channel or show them other videos of yours that will appeal to them. You can select a specific video or let YouTube suggest a video based on viewers' preferences. The most important thing is to remember is to keep the viewers engaged with your site. I hope you found this video useful. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for such contents. Bye.